Hey there, friends. I want to talk to you about how to niche, click, stick, wildly succeed with psychographics. So what am I talking about? What is this psychographics thing? We all know what niche marketing is, so I won't get into that. Let's talk about psychographics and what that's all about. So let's start with talking about demographics. We know what those are. That's segmenting people by external factors. That would be these people earn between X and X. These people live in this zip code. These people have this type of education. Grouping by external factors. Psychographics is grouping people together by things of the heart, things that people are passionate about, things that people love, people that share similar hobbies, interests, and values. And so you hear all the time that you need to expand your sphere of influence. You need to meet more people, and so in pursuit of that, what happens is you may be thinking that you want to join the chamber, some large group of people that are in business together or whatever. That's kind of a demographic niche. What I'm going to suggest to you to really click and stick and connect deeply and to earn more listings and selling opportunities and referrals is that you join a psychographic tribe, a psychographic niche where you share the same passions, things that you love to do. Because when you do this, you connect more deeply, but equally important is you're spending your time and your emotion and your energy, and what you're investing is things that are healthy for you. And you're around people who love the same thing. An example of this is if you and I went to the same school, we would have an automatic connection. If we're from the same hometown and we join a group, let's say where we're all from a certain area, we have a different connection. If we play a sport together, we have a connection. If we're animal lovers, we have a deeper connection because of the things that we're passionate about, right? So an example of this was when I was an agent, I used to play a lot of basketball, a tribe of basketball players, a psychographic niche. And I played at noons at the Y, and there's probably a rotating group of 40 people. I played in some 5-on-5 church leagues, and there was a rotating group of men in and out on different days that would play maybe 40 people. I played 3-on-3 Wednesday nights. I played at the parks. Altogether, there are probably about 100 guys that played basketball that I got to know. And in this group, we also had plumbers and electricians and accountants and doctors and so on. And we became known as the go-to guy for our professions. And I would happen to be in real estate. So people would earn a raise, and then they would need to move up, and I would help. They would ask me questions, and I would help them with that. We had people that would get married, need to move into a different house. I would help them with that. Leases would expire. I would help with that. People get divorced. I would help with that. People get transferred out. I was doing that too. I was the go-to guy for real estate. And we had a doctor who was a go-to guy. We had a plumber who was a go-to guy. And it was all happening organically and naturally while I was having great fun. So earned lots of income and success by doing what I love with other people who love it. So when someone suggests to you, go expand your sphere of influence, you need to connect with more people, or you come to that conclusion on your own, don't join a tribe or a group of people that is not connected by something that they're really passionate about. Instead, join a tribe of people who love what you love, right? So this would mean you could join a dining club, a spin classes. This is what makes Peloton and things like that, right? They have a tribe, they're connected, right? So you might have other types of fitness, dinner clubs, quilting clubs, animal things that have to do with animal travel clubs. You want to have a pretty large group of people in general, but when you're engaged with doing things you like, it's good for your health, it's good for your soul, right? It's good for your mind, and you're doing good work. Modern day selling is sharing, serving, solving, and simplifying around everything home, family, lifestyle, and real estate. So you're doing that with people that you're passionate about. So my suggestion, my tip to you, if you want to expand the size of your orchard, is that you would do a little research and join a psychographic tribe who love what you love. You'll connect deeper, faster. You'll be doing things that you love to do, and the business will flow to you organically and naturally, and everybody wins. So super leverage, super fun, super profitable. That's my tip for you. If I can do anything to help you in the future, I hope you'll call on me. I wish you the very best. You take care. All right, I'll talk to you later. Thanks.